Sharing photos, videos, and work files, no matter the size, is easier than ever on Synology NAS. In just a few clicks, you can send file sharing links to friends and family. In this video, you will learn how to create and share files on your Synology NAS easily. You can find the timestamp of each step in the video description. But first, please make sure your Synology NAS is up and running and a Quick Connect ID is enabled. You can find the videos on how to set up Synology NAS and enable Quick Connect ID in the video description. Launch FileStation and select a shared folder. From your computer's desktop or from a File Explorer or Finder window, you can drag and drop files and folders into FileStation. After doing this, FileStation will ask what to do if a file or folder with the same name already exists. Since these are new files, the results are the same. In this example, let's select Skip. When uploads finish, DSM will provide a notification of the completion. Clicking the icon in the taskbar will show you the upload activity. Now that we've uploaded new files to our Synology NAS, let's take a look at sharing files and folders. Click on the file you want to share, or press the Control key for Windows or the Command key for Mac to select multiple files. Then right-click one of the selected items, or Control-click if on a Mac, and click Share. Now you can secure the file transfer by ticking Enable Security Sharing. There are a few ways to do this. You can share the files to specific NAS users or groups, requiring that they input the login credentials in order to access. Or you can set a password to require external users to sign in using the password. In this case, we'll simply set a password on the file. Another way to secure the file is to set a validity period. Click Validity Period in the upper left corner and set the frequency and valid period that the file can be accessed. Here, we'll set the link to expire in 1 day. Now that you've got the links configured the way you want, you can start sharing them. There are 3 ways to do so. You can find the file links in the Shared Link field and copy them to a notepad. If you ever need to know what file each link is associated with, the order of the links matches the order of the file path field. Another option is to click Get QR Code to get QR code for each file. Or simply click the default email to send the link and QR code to specific users. Click Save to complete the settings. Those who have the sharing link can paste it to the address bar of a web browser to open it. When someone clicks the link, they will get a prompt for a password, or can access it directly if no password is set. Here, we'll enter the correct password. The interface will show a trimmed-down version of FileStation with the contents of the folder. Click the upper right icon to view the files as a list or as thumbnails. You can double-click a file to start a download, or press the Control key and select multiple files and right-click to download. When downloading multiple items, the NAS will compress them into a zip folder. You can also simply click Download Folder to grab the whole folder. To learn more about getting the most out of your Synology NAS, subscribe to the Synology YouTube channel or click another video to keep watching.